So there's a story behind this one. The triple enzyme facial peel. So I had my first like professional facial the other day. Someone had bought me a gift card, and I'm always a little nervous because they use a lot of ingredients that I would never use on my face typically. And so I've always been real nervous about going somewhere because then I feel silly like constantly asking them, hey, what's in that? Like before you put it on my face, what is that? But this place I went, the girl was more knowledgeable than I am on natural products. She was amazing. And so she recommended that I find a product that has fruit enzymes in it for a more natural option for cleaning out, you know, like on your nose, if you've got like you can really see your pores, like your pores look big, or like blackheads in them, especially like right around your nostrils and like just on the bridge of your nose. I have that. That's like my biggest skin concern these days. Well, I've never known how to get rid of that. What she said was that if you want a natural way to unclog what's going on in your pores, that you need a fruit enzyme because it's so deep that like an exfoliant, or even like she had like an extraction tool, and it was like really painful, but she was trying to like get it out of my pores, and she said it's just so deep in there, you need fruit enzymes to go into the pores and actually break it up so that it can come out naturally. Well, that's what this is. That's what the triple enzyme cream. So the triple enzyme is papaya, pineapple, and pomegranate. So those are the 3 fruit enzymes that are used in the triple enzyme peel. And it's a natural way to break up all the gunk that is in your pores. So if you've got like black, like if you can see your pores, and I don't mean like just your pores, like of course you can see your pores, but like if they're like full of black, this is what you need to break that up, because just exfoliating or using extraction tools or you know, using acne medicine, that's not what it needs. It needs to actually go into the pores and break it up so it'll come out.